Well, that's a great question, but it's not even a correct comparison. You shouldn't be comparing SEBOs and Dysons together because although they're all vacuums, they are at the very ends of the spectrum when it comes to what they offer. SEBOs, for instance, only make bagged vacuums, which make for very, very good, well-filtered vacuums. They actually have something called S-class filtration, which is hospital-grade filtration, and a bagged vacuum generally is just easier to dispose of the dirt and maintain. Dysons only make bagless vacuums, and some people can be bothered with bags and they like that idea. So there's one difference. SEBOs, even at this time, they don't make any cordless vacuums. All their vacuums are corded. They're very powerful, but they all get cords. Dysons are mostly known and popular because of their cordless vacuums. So, where they cover the cordless stick markets with the Dysons, SEBOs are the bagged corded vacuums, and they're completely different demographic. They serve different purposes altogether. So not a good comparison, but you do you. If you love the SEBOs, we love the SEBOs. Some people like the Dysons.